If you've been following our channel for a while, you know that we love Milwaukee Packout, one of the most popular tool storage ranges on the market, and it is clear to see why. I mean, essentially, it's adult Lego. What's not to love about that? So many different Packout products in their range. Milwaukee have brought out some new Packout products, both their standard cases and some new additions to the Packout Workshop range this year. So let's have a little look at what we've got, starting with what you can see in front of me. Now, these are two brand new Packout drawer cases. You've got the 4-drawer set here, and you've got a 3-drawer set here, which you may have seen Packout 3 drawers before, but this is a little bit different because you've got a larger drawer at the bottom and then 2 smaller drawers on top. Now, the smaller drawers are the same size as all 4 on this model here. Now, that's gonna be perfect for storing your smaller accessories, your screwdriver bits, your drill bits, your fixings, things like that. And it comes with dividers, so you can actually split it up and separate all of your bits, which is lovely stuff. And then you've got the bottom bigger drawer on this 3-drawer set, which is going to be great for storing some of your other tools, maybe your hand tools, maybe your smaller power tools as well. If you're on Milwaukee's M18 or M12 range, then that is gonna be perfect for storing those. Of course, we've said it before with Packout, these are nothing but heavy duty. Milwaukee pride themselves on that. These are built with impact resistant polymers. These are built to last on the job site. So 2 brand new Packout cases there to get you organized, and you can stack this on top or in between other Packout cases and get your fortress of tools looking tidy. Milwaukee have also introduced some brand new Packout Workshop products, which you can see here. You've got the wire tray here, which is going to be great for storing, some smaller accessories. We've got some Milwaukee gloves in here. So this is going to be great, more for your easy access storage, nothing too small, because you don't want it slipping through the grates on here. But this is going to be great for storing things, like tape, like gloves. That's great. And of course, you can mount it onto one of the mounting plates and stick it on the wall in your workshop, in your van, keep things nice and secure. And then we've got some new magnetic products, which is something that is brand new from Milwaukee for your workshop range. You've got this metal rack here. This is your magnetic rack. Now, it is as easy as it looks to store your screwdrivers. Just look at that. I can take it off, pop it on, secured. It is as easy as that. I don't have to faff about trying to put the screwdriver in the hole. This magnetic rack makes it as easy as ever to store your hand tools, particularly your metal hand tools, away as easy as possible. And then you've got the metallic trays, the magnetic trays that you can see on top here. Now, I've just chucked a bunch of fixings into there, and you can notice that it is now vertical, and none of those fixings, well, they're not moving, they're not going anywhere, and that is the beauty of it. I can have my fixings up on the wall like so. There is a smaller version of these magnetic trays. This is the 2-width version. There's also a single width version as well. So that is really nice. If you're looking to, get your fixings up on the wall, you can then put this straight into one of the Packout organizers. You can also put the likes of your screwdriver bits and anything that responds to magnets, anything magnetic can go in that tray. It's nice and deep for storing, a decent volume of them, but also it's nice and nimble and can fit in your Packout organizers. So if you're looking to get your workshop secure, if you're looking to get your tools secure on the job site, then you can do all of that and more with Milwaukee Packout, available in the Milwaukee Superstore at its.co.uk.